everyone, I have a very important speaking tip for all of you. Now, it's very important for you to understand how to deliver your answers because it's equally important as the other criteria. The examiner is not only going to look for your grammatical or lexical range and accuracy, they are also going to see how well you convey your ideas, opinions, or stories. No matter how good your grammar or vocabulary is, if you sound really bored or if you do not sound interested in what you have to say, then unfortunately you will lose the opportunity to earn a higher band score. Because pronunciation doesn't just mean to say words clearly, it also involves how you control your voice, whether or not you can use intonation to show different meanings in your talk or responses. So don't be monotonous and be interested. Follow and like for more.